Stop.
Politicians give a bag of rice. They chop. I'm Antonia. But she don't die, oh. She don't die.
I don't know much money.
Every time they will share rice, share salt.
So one cup
of rice. When ya? I got the one you now go. When you put it home.
Good young lady.
Who is young lady?
I know young lady.
Are you not young lady?
I know you young lady.
We're not quarreling now. I'm just looking for address.
One young lady.
Please, I'm looking for number 7 close.
Is that why you're blowing horn for inside the room? I want to ask for address. Is that why you're blowing horn like that?
That's number 7 close. Idiot.
You're looking for address, eh?
Yes.
You're looking for address.
But that's
What is the meaning? I don't understand.
Okay, you're PVC.
PVC. Yes.
Who are you working for?
Okay. So you don't know. You don't know that this coming election, there is nothing like the politician dashing us money for us to vote or giving us bribe. It is strictly PVC. So if you don't have your PVC, go and get it or else nobody in this area will listen to you. Even if you want to go and buy something there, that woman will ask you for your PVC before they will sell to you.
So
you are even lucky self we are standing here
talking to you.
This is the lucky.
Okay, let me ask you a question. With PVC now, So now we have gotten this in the better Nigeria with PVC.
With PVC, you can go and vote in.
I'm voting the right candidate.
I'm not old men.
Who is the right candidate? You don't know.
We don't know. We know who we are going to vote. You want to hear from my mom? As if you don't know.
They don't send you.
You look like you are working for people.
See, as you see me like this, as a young lady, I am obedient.
As a what?
As a young lady, young girl.
Young lady, you walk around.
So I am not young.
We are young. We are young.
My breast is still standing, so I am a young lady.
My own is still standing.
That is the breast. See, let me tell you, you see this coming election, I am obedient. See, go and get your PVC. Because this time around is an election of PVC. There is nothing like giving money because you will not get shit.
The way you are sounding, The way you are sounding like someone that paid.
Who paid me?
I don't know.
Nobody paid me.
That paid you.
Nobody paid me.
You are also standing as someone that paid not to get your PVC.
Yes.
In Diana. Because we are standing here with
our own.
So
we bring it
out. I will take off.
Go away for life. See, I'm not going to bring it out because we know where we normally keep it.
Yes,
so I put it here so that I work
with you on 12th of June.
And I made the browsing free. Here, go that I will many browsing.
Okay, I want to get my one. Can you guys check me?
Where you go, sir?
Go to your local government.
Yes.
At where?
Anywhere.
We don't know your local government.
I don't know. I'm on you.
You go to your local government or you go to
and get it.
Or you go to INEC office.
Yes.
And get it. Yes.
Okay, thank you for reminding me.
Now you are coming.
But I would like to see you guys there.
Sure.
On the voting day.
See, even this time around, we are going to protect our vote. We are going to protect our vote. It's not that we will vote and go home. They will not carry it. No, this time around, we go sit down that place and protect our vote. So, bet me now. On your man, the number. We not collect our phone number.
Yeah, that's the number.
You are too late. Come closer.
Say?
Yes.
Come. You will not enter this car. You will not enter this car.
Don't spoil my car. Don't spoil my car.
See, he will carry two of us and go. Yes, by force. He will carry two of us.
Me too.